Hi guys, welcome back. Today we're going to talk a little bit about turbochargers. We're pretty excited to announce we got the Pure Power Technologies line of turbochargers now available at Highway and Heavy Parts for your Ford applications, your GM applications, your Dodge applications. So the turbocharger is a critical part of your engine and it plays a huge role in your performance and your fuel economy, but it works in the harshest of conditions. You've got the exhaust coming in on one side, you've got compressed air going out on the other, you've got electronics on the engine, both measuring speed and changing the displacement of the turbo. It is a critical part of your engine. You may notice that, man, I got a lot of black smoke, or man, my fuel economy is going down, or an exhaust leak. You might have one of these problems that are developing in your engine that may lead you to a turbocharger replacement. One of the huge advantages to the Pure Power line of turbochargers is the 36-month unlimited mile warranty. Now that's huge. How does Pure Power offer a 36-month unlimited mile warranty? Well, let's go into some of the testing that they do prior to putting this turbocharger out. They've got some elaborate balancing processes, two-plane balancing on this turbocharger that meets or exceeds the OEM specification. And of course, all the wear components are going to be replaced in the turbocharger, your oil slingers, your bearings. The other thing that sets them apart is that complete end-of-line testing. They're actually going to run this turbocharger up and make sure that it's doing what it's supposed to. That way when you get it and put it on your vehicle, it's ready to rock and roll. So if your turbocharger's acting up, giving you fits, throwing black smoke, poor fuel economy, maybe not making the boost that you think it should be, maybe you're in line for a turbocharger. The Pure Power Technologies line of turbochargers is going to be perfect for the Ford, GM, and Dodge applications. Highway and Heavy Parts is the only parts distributor that has both ASE certified mechanics and service writers on staff. We're going to be here to save you 30 to 50% off retail pricing and get you your parts in 2 days or less in most cases. Give us a shout at Highway and Heavy Parts, 844-447-1453.